Question given in CBSE 2025 mathematics examination. What is given question? The value of tan square theta minus 1 by cos theta into secant theta is gas. So now take the tan square theta minus 1 by cos theta into secant theta. Here now you know that tan square theta equal to sin square theta by cos square theta minus 1 by cos theta into secant theta in the right in the form of 1 by cos theta. So sin square theta by cos square theta minus 1 into 1 cos theta into cos theta cos square theta. We take the LCM cos square theta. Now write the numerators sin square theta minus 1. You know that one result sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So you require sin square minus cos 1. So now that sin square theta, so transfer to the left side minus 1, transfer to the right side minus cos square theta. So sin square theta minus 1 equal to minus cos square theta. So minus cos square theta right there in the place of sin square theta minus 1. Now minus cos square theta by cos square theta. So cos square 1 jar, cos square 1 jar. So therefore remaining minus 1. Therefore required answer is a minus 1.